Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Amex account's password. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your password on Amex, firstly open your Google search. Type in Amex login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on first link shown on the page. Tap on Forgot User ID or Password link. Enter your user ID to begin your retrieving password process. After entering your user ID, press on Continue. Enter your security code for verification and tap on Verify. Choose a verification process method, that is through email or SMS. Enter your OTP code and click on Verify. Create a password and confirm your new password by re-entering it and then click on Reset Password option. Click on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can reset your Amex account's password quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.